Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can play 4-player chess with friends in chess.com. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, go ahead and access the chess.com, and once you have done that, you will be here in this section, right? What you need to do is you need to go to a custom. So you have to go ahead and make a custom game, and then in section you're going to go to new game, and then from the player section you go to friends, and you're going to have to sign up for that matter. Then you're going to go ahead and invite the friends. Make sure when you are customizing the game for yourself, you simply go to a 4-player chess. Once you have done that, you need to simply create a custom game. Once you have set up the game, and make sure you choose the teams versus a free for all, every player for themselves. Then you have to tap on navigate, invite the players. Once you're in the invite the player section, go ahead and invite the 4 players of your choice, and then once they have accepted your invitation, tap on start the game, and the game will be started with the 4 players of your choice. That's how it works. I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.